A Gold IRA offers a unique opportunity for investors seeking portfolio diversification through precious metals, such as gold and silver. This specialized individual retirement account not only provides a hedge against inflation and economic turmoil but also aligns with strategic financial planning for retirement, ensuring stability and growth. Opening a Gold IRA requires understanding specific IRS guidelines. Eligibility primarily depends on meeting predefined income and filing status criteria. Furthermore, investing in precious metals for a Gold IRA dictates only selecting those that fulfill strict purity and fineness standards to ensure they're IRA-approved. Selecting the right Gold IRA provider is crucial. Evaluate their reputation, customer reviews, and compliance records. Focus on transparency in fee structures and the custodian's experience. Be wary of high fees or pushy sales tactics that can undermine the potential benefits of your investment. Funding your Gold IRA can be achieved through direct transfers or rollovers from existing retirement accounts, ensuring a seamless shift without tax penalties. Once funded, purchasing IRS-approved metals involves selecting products that meet specific standards for weight and purity to comply with IRA regulations.